Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pardeep Sharma and today we are going to learn two kanji in this video. Our first kanji is the Kanji of Wood and Grow, and our second kanji is Kanji of Pain. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the Kanji of Wood Grow is taken from N5. And let's start with the strokes of this kanji. Here these are the strokes which we would have to follow to make this kanji of. Let's get started. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So guys, this kanji have 8 strokes. Now let's do the practice of the strokes of this kanji. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it for the one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the final one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So guys, this is the Kanji of Wood Grow. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Here these are the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is Hayashi, which is written in Romaji as well, and onyomi of this kanji is Rin. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 3 meanings of this kanji. If we are writing this kanji alone without any suffix or without any prefix, then we will pronounce it Hayashi, which means a wood. And if we are writing this kanji as a suffix with the kanji of little, we have already learned this kanji. I'll drop the link in description. Then these, if you are writing these two kanji together, then these would be pronounced as Kobayashi. Kobayashi, which is a Japanese surname. And final one is here again, if you are writing this kanji as a prefix with gyo have a different kanji about which we will study later, and these would be pronounced as Ringyo. Ringyo means forestry. So guys, this was the Kanji of Wood Grow. Now let's move to our second kanji, which is the Kanji of Pain. This is our second kanji, which is the Kanji of Pain, and this is taken from N4. And this kanji have 12 strokes, and these are the strokes which we would have to follow to make this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and this is the final kanji which is having 12 strokes. 12. So now let's do the practice for the strokes of this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Let's do it for the one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Let's do it for one more time. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11, and the final kanji is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So guys, this is the final kanji which is having 12 strokes. Let's do it for one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji are ita, ita, mu, and onyomi of this kanji is su, which is written in katakana and romaji. Now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 4 meanings of this kanji. If we are writing this kanji as a prefix with e, then we will pronounce it itai, which is written in romaji and hiragana, and itai means painful. And here if you are writing this kanji again as a prefix with mi dome, then we will pronounce it itami dome. Itami dome means a painkiller, which is a tablet. And again if you are writing this kanji as a prefix with mu, then we will pronounce it itamu, which means to ache, to act. And here our final meaning. Here if you are writing this kanji as a suffix with ju, ju also have a different kanji about which we will study later, then these would be pronounced as jutsu, 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 which means a headache. So guys, this was the kanji of pain. I hope you guys have understood these 2 kanjis. Then please do like the video, share the video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jamata.